content creators. What we decided to do is have different levels. So of course you've got the workspace that anybody can go ahead and use. And then you've also got studio spaces. So you've got different setups. So if you wanted to use, for example, a green screen, or if you wanted to film at, I don't know, like an interview, we decided to create a space because we knew that it was very expensive for content creators to create it. This is absolutely for free. So if you'd like to get in touch with us so that you could use our space, this is what the lobby looks like. This is the Red Bull zone, Red Bull being one of our long-term partners. This is a place, for example, where we've set up screens where you can sit down and either have interviews, chill, maybe write your scripts. This is an example of different spaces that we created. You've got like the corner for Ramadan, you've got an interview space. This is the corner where we do actually the event roundup. Everybody always assumes that you need to have a big, giant studio. But guess what? The camera sits in the middle, depending on where it's facing. That's the space that we use. Then you've also got, of course, this is the event roundup corner. And this is the shots that you get. We've created a general studio as well. You've got a green screen set up as well, which we are now working on to enhance, just in case you need to go ahead and use those types of facilities. We've got a place for if you're a gamer and you wanted to maybe do more of a commentary, more of a Twitch thing as well. We've got that space created as well. And this room is actually the Raqami TV studio, and this is basically a channel which has now become one of the biggest tech channels in the world. It is one of the biggest in Arabic, but also one of the most engaged in any language on Facebook. And this is where you have the face, this is where you do the top-down shots, and that's every single Game Boy ever made, by the way.